Should I not do it now?
Oh, no, don't. If you already done it, you done it. What we'll do,
Oh,
we'll
sorry.
at 15 minutes, we'll just change screen to your screen, okay?
Okay, yeah, I can only stay on for 15 more minutes, but let's just do this. For anybody who's going to be watching this, Michael and I have actually been working since 6 o'clock. It's now 7:15 or 7:15, so we're just doing other stuff. But we're finishing up part three of uh, Rails Rails intro project.
Okay.
All right, so now we've got it so that our controller remembers what we've selected, but it for some reason has problem combining that information.
Right.
Um, and the reason why is, actually, what do you think the reason why is? Cool. If we look at our controller code, we can. Uh,
Okay. The reason why is if we need something, because this if else and statement.
yes, yeah, that's exactly right. So if we look at the functionality of the page right now,
Only
uh,
saying it's only a screening if is nil.
ex
And then
that's exactly right.
we only got two cases, nil or not nil.
Yeah. And one thing that another thing, remember what I was saying about the when we select like the link and how it sends the URI and it
Right.
only takes into account a certain amount of information.
Right.
Um, so right now it's looking. So when we send that link to in our if statements, we're just checking params. We're not actually checking the session.
Right.
So if we check the session, then it won't be nil, right? Um, and then uh, so when so well, actually, sorry. It's just because we're checking the params when we click the link to with the uh, by sorting by title, it'll just send params for the sort. It won't send params for the ratings. And if we
Right.
click the link, like the refresh link with the ratings, it'll just send the ratings information
Right.
and not the thing. So basically, what we need to do is just modify our if statements to look actually at the session and not at the params, because the session is what holds both the holds the information for both of the things and
Okay.
not the params.
So we need to change the F ratings not nil. So,
Yeah.
so that gonna be F's current sessions current keys.
Yeah.
Uh
If yeah, so you want me to do the
yeah.
yeah, so I can do if session current keys dot nil. So if the session is nil, then set it to all ratings. Else, set it to the keys that are selected, right?
Sounds good. Let's see if that works.
Well, hold on. We got to do it with the other one too. We got to do it with the sort. So session current sort. And maybe this won't work, but I think it should work. All right, now we can save it and see what happens.
I did the wrong thing.
Shit. Okay.
I did it by the browser versus the Let me do it again. I gotta when I do. Let's see. But it's been working by the browser too. But it's something.
No, I think we made a mistake. So which line is that?
Let me see. 22.
All right.
Undefined no class.
Undefined method keys for
For
nil class. Okay, so let's see what is happening. Uh, that was that for line 20 or line
22.
22.
Right.
So what's happening?
Is when it's so it was no, that was so that means the first part was false.
Session current keys dot nil. So it's saying that that's not nil.
Let me look at that error message.
Yeah, let's look at the error message again.
Undefined method key, so it's not recognizing when you put that key on the param rating. See, that's what's so screwy on the end.
Right. So params ratings. So basically, I think params rating is empty right now. So we're actually running into the same problem that we're running into in part 2, right?
Right.
And so basically, what's happening is we're initializing. So this is the initial step, right? This is like when it's just starting. We need to make sure that params ratings is filled, so that we don't run into this problem, right?
Right.
So let's put in an additional if statement before and say like if
But you can put right above that statement, just define it. Just say
just right here,
yeah,
or
make it just say params ratings equal empty hash.
oh sorry, that what am I doing here? So like that is that what you're thinking?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens.
Okay. Now we get no movies.
Try including things.
Okay, and nothing included. That's still don't get no movies.
Yeah. Okay. So I think that empty thing is screwing us up. So let's go back to that.
That's kill that.
So what I was actually going to say is if params ratings got nil params ratings equals at all ratings. All right, so let's see what happens now.
Okay.
I don't know if that's going to work, but the idea is like for the very beginning, let's just like set them all. Oh, I didn't add an end. Yeah, I do that all the fucking time. All the time. So yeah, add an end. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now why PGNs? Okay, now so up the top, that's the previous.
Right. Oh, sorry. What were you saying, Michael?
Oh yeah, that's right. Up to the top, that's the previous state.
Right. So we actually what we want to do right now is to make sure let's check it before it actually has anything. So if you can go to your like properties of your browser and clear your cookies, that way we can test this thing without having that previous state.
Okay, so okay, using Chrome.
Yeah, I think it's like history. You can clear your cookies.
No, Chrome. It's preferences.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Settings. Manage engines.
Yeah, try clear browsing data. See what that. And then hook cookies. Yeah. All right. All right, so what that should do is clear the session, like just make it empty, right? So once that's done, we can try it again. Is it done yet, or what's going on? Is it just Michael? You still there? Michael?
Hey, they're gonna be here in 5 minutes, so you should get off soon.
I know. Shit. Hello? Well, maybe clearing cookies just crashed Michael. So I hope you guys think that's funny, people that are watching this. Yeah, so I'll stop this broadcast now. Maybe he'll get back and we'll figure it out.